Can't connect right now on YouTube for Android TV. If you're seeing a Can't Connect Right Now error on YouTube for Android TV, the issue is typically related to network connectivity, account sync, or app problems. Follow these steps to resolve the issue. 1. Check your internet connection. Step 1. Test other apps. Open another app, e.g. Netflix, a browser, on your Android TV to confirm if the internet is working. Step 2. Restart your router. Unplug your router, wait 10 seconds, and plug it back in to refresh the connection. Step 3. Verify network settings. Go to Settings greater than Network and Internet on your Android TV and ensure your device is connected to Wi-Fi or Ethernet. 2. Restart your Android TV. Step 1. Restart the TV. Navigate to Settings, Device Preferences, and restart. Step 2. Power cycle the TV. Unplug your TV from the power outlet, wait for 30 seconds, and plug it back in to ensure a full reset. 3. Clear YouTube app cache and data. Step 1. Open App Settings. Go to Settings, Apps, then see All Apps on YouTube. Step 2. Clear Cache. Select Clear Cache to remove temporary files. Step 3. Clear data if needed. If clearing the cache doesn't work, select Clear Data to reset the app. You may need to sign in again. 4th, update the YouTube app. Step 1. Open Google Play Store. On your Android TV, go to the Google Play Store. Step 2. Check for updates. Search for YouTube, and if an update is available, install it. Check Google Account Sync. Step 1. Sync your Google account. Go to Settings, Accounts, then Google Account, and select Sync Now. Step 2. Remove and re-add your Google account. If syncing doesn't fix the issue, remove your account from the TV and add it back. 6. Verify date and time settings. Step 1. Check date and time. Go to Settings, Device Preferences, Date and Time, and ensure the settings are correct. Step 2. Use automatic time. Enable automatic date and time to sync with the network. 7. Check for Android TV system updates. Step 1. Go to System Update Settings. Navigate to Settings and Device Preferences, then About and System Update. Step 2. Install available updates. If an update is available, install it and restart your TV. 8. Reinstall the YouTube app. Step 1. Uninstall YouTube. Go to Settings and Apps, YouTube, uninstall. Step 2. Reinstall the app. Open the Google Play Store, search for YouTube, and reinstall the app. 9. Factory reset your Android TV as a last resort. Step 1. Open Reset Settings. Go to Settings, Device Preferences, Reset. Step 2. Confirm the reset. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your TV. Note, this will erase all data, so proceed only if other steps fail.